Milan is a city in northern Italy, regional capital of Lombardy, the largest city in Italy by urban population, and the second most populous city proper in Italy after Rome. Milan is one of the world's 4 fashion capitals. Famous luxury brands like Armani, Prada, Versace, etc. have their headquarters in this city. Milan Cathedral took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Construction started in 1386, and the final details were completed in 1965. It's the largest church in Italy and the 3rd largest in the world, as the larger St. Peter's Basilica is in the state of Vatican City, a sovereign state. This bronze door narrates the spread of Christianity and the events witnessed by the first Christians until they're granted freedom of worship in Milan by the Emperor of Constantine in 313 BCE.
the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
The Sforza Castle is a medieval fortification located in Milan. It was built in the 15th century by Francesco Sforza, Duke of Milan, on the remnants of a 14th century castle. Later, it was renovated and enlarged in the 16th and 17th centuries